beating each other's heads right now, okay? Don't mind the tiger, John.
Oh.
I will not switch sides.
That's fine. They're still gonna get you.
Not if I'm watching now.
No, stop. Don't give me that.
Hi, Aaron.
Bye, Aaron.
Toodles, Aaron.
I love you, Aaron.
It's probably in one of these things.
I can say whatever I want.
I want to see the picture you're taking, Macy.
What?
I want to see the picture you're taking.
Taking video.
Oh!
I gotta piss!
Thanks for the information.
You're very welcome, John.
If that thing drops on me, I'm very upset.
I'll just shut you out of the way.
John. John. John.
What are you doing,
You got anything
Kyle?
popping up over there?
Looking for the beat. Look, there's a hat in there.
You got anything popping up over there, John? He's flipping me off! He's forming! Flip me off!
No, there's no rules against that.
There is two paper food containers. Paper food!
John, the box.
Look, wrong finger.
Oh, I was all
That's
excited.
what I've been doing the entire time.
No, he wasn't. Okay, something popped up.
What?
What?
My dignity.
I didn't say my dignity.
Stop videotaping.
Kyle, what are you doing? Kyle, what are you doing?
Give me the head.
What about the gloves?
Give me the head.
That thing is not sturdy.
God, I feel like I'm in a really bad spot.
You probably are.
Whoa! I was ready to catch it. Why, Kyle? Why? Why a Dia?
Dia?
Wasn't ready that time. Now it matches my
Tito would walk in.
What?
Hey now! Hey, hey, hey!
Kyle.
You keep hitting me. I think you would be better off sitting up there than
I was like, I saw Wingo on the go crap, we're all gonna do it.
That's it. I put the rest back in.
Oh, check those boxes.
For what?
For my feet. He just dropped a cup. It's fucked.
Cup? What kind of cup? Huh?
it's a mug.
The one that you drink out of, you Doofenheimer.
She said Doofenheimer.
Son of a bitch.
John Scully caught me on that one.
What?
I was like, and he was like
Hey,
looking at me in the corner of my eye like
I
this.
wanna do that drinking stuff again.
Go for it.
Not drinking stuff.
But you guys have to like spray them.
No.
Red one? Yeah.
Don't! I'm serious. I don't want to get wet.
Oh, there's
spray
random
it on your
tampons in
hand.
there. You guys need tampons?
There are not tampons in there.
Yes, there are.
Where?